Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new exclusive strategy for you guys today, and I know personally most of you guys are gonna love this strategy because it's so simple, easy to execute. Even if you don't have much experience in trading, it will be easy for you guys to master this strategy because it's so simple and I love it. But without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the chart and take some nice trade today. So this will be my first trade and I'm gonna explain to you guys. Okay guys, so basically all this strategy work is we are looking for times when the fractal give us an indication to go higher, but the main thing in this strategy is awesome oscillator and stochastic oscillator. Fractal is just a confirmation, right? So what's going on here now is that whenever the stochastic oscillator is overbought, right, and it crosses each other, that's one signal. Then we're looking for awesome oscillator to become green, giving us another signal. So this is a combination of both of these indicators going in the same direction. Then we open a trade. Okay, beautiful. So I'm going to look for my next trade and explain to you guys some other pro tips, because I have a pro tip which if you guys stick through the video you will see it in the end. This is my next opportunity. Nice, beautiful. So again guys, as you can see, we have a cross and the stochastic oscillator right here, right? And the awesome oscillator shows me a green bar. See? So that shows me there are double confirmation right here. Plus we add the fractal also. And guys, as I said before, I'm going to show you guys a pro tip if you stick to the video. And I'm being honest guys, you're gonna love this pro tip. You're gonna love it so much, it's going to open your mind. You're going to be so clear about this when I'm finished talking to you guys. And I just want to save it for my loyal viewers who want to watch my videos. So that's the reason why I'm going to say it further down in the video. So this trade is going to be a win. Beautiful. Let's find our next trade. Alright, again, let's get in. So guys, there is something I want to talk to you guys about this trade. As you could see, there is 3 candles in a row, right? So this tells me there is a momentum coming down. And if you guys research this and Google, it will tell you that 3 candles in a row is a momentum, right? So that means when there is a momentum plus the stochastic oscillator and the awesome oscillator giving me a signal, this means I can enter a trade. Guys, I want you to understand that in binary option, you have to combine every little thing you know. That's the only way to keep a steady win rate. That's the secret. That's the secret, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Next trade. I'm a little bit late for this one, but I'm getting in. This one is also very nice also, because I'm seeing a 3-bar pattern plus the stochastic oscillator and the awesome oscillator and the fractal. So guys, if you want to learn all of these strategies, or if you want to get deep information about these strategies, you could reach to me on Telegram, and I will give you guys free strategy and free money management. Okay, and the Telegram link will be in the description down below, so don't be afraid to reach out and let me know what strategy you want to learn, whether price action or indicators. So we're gonna wait for this trade to close. It's playing around our entry. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's find our next trade. So this is the settings for today's strategy, and I hope you guys study this strategy and become profitable, because it's so easy, so effective, and I love it, and I hope you love it also. Today's indicators are gonna be stochastic oscillator. Okay, and for the stochastic oscillator we're gonna choose period K12, right? And we're gonna leave the other settings as it is. And for the colors, guys, I think the colors are personal preference, so if you prefer to change colors, that's up to you. I'm keeping the colors the same. I'm not gonna change anything to it. I only change colors if I just feel the need to. But it's best to thicken the lines because it helps see things clearer, right? For the next indicator, which is in our strategy today, is awesome escalator. Okay, and we're gonna change the period short to 3. Yeah, we're gonna keep the colors as it is. We're not going to change any color. For the next indicator, it will be fractal, and we're not going to change fractal settings. Fractal settings, we're going to keep it at default because it's best that way. This is a very fantastic opportunity right here. Again, guys, so this is for my loyal viewers, the secret in this strategy, right? So, guys, basically, what's going on here is whenever you see a fractal going higher, right? But it's below the red candle, it shows you there is a pattern. And as you guys know, if you Google it, patterns give you 65 to 55% accuracy. But we combine those with the stochastic oscillator and the awesome oscillator. I know you guys always wonder why I use fractal so much, because fractal identify the patterns in the market. So this is the pro tip for today. I hope you guys learned something new, and this trade is going to be a win. Beautiful. And we're going to look for our next trade. This trade is a very nice trade. Let's get in. Okay guys, so I want to take the time out to tell you guys that the platform registration link is in the description. You guys could create a free account and practice this strategy. Okay, you could practice this and enhance your win rate. So we're gonna wait for this candle to close, but I want to tell you guys something else about trading. While trading, guys, it's very crucial to make sure that you have a proper money management. Okay, your money management must be personal. You know, it's a personal thing, so you have to come up with the amount you're willing to lose, but you still need a structure. And that's why I teach guys in my Telegram how to, to risk their money better and stuff like that. Alright, so let's find our next trade. Okay, so as you guys could see right there again, these things in the market, it repeats so frequent. So as you can see right here, we have 3 candles in a row, right? Plus we have the stochastic oscillator crossing, and the awesome oscillator shows us 1, 2, 3 green candles, and it's signal, right? So basically all these things I'm taking into consideration, and yes, I'm also pay attention to the market direction also. But yeah, I think this trade will be a win for sure. um let's wait for the candle to close. Beautiful. So guys, this will be the end of the session. And again, I want to take the time out to tell you guys, if you want to create a free pocket option account, you guys could use the link in the description. And if you want 50% bonus on your deposit, you could use the link in description. But for who want to learn my strategies and stuff, you could text me on Telegram. My link is in the description also. You guys could reach out to me, let me know whether you want to trade price action or indicators, and I will show you a strategy that you could go and practice for yourself to see that it works, and then you could trade real money. So guys, this will be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you. Peace out.